The 9 best high-fiber vegetables you should be eating, according to a dietitians. You should consume more veggies and fiber, both of which promote heart and digestive health and aid in blood sugar management. You already know that vegetables are excellent for you. And you'll most likely have to consume more of them. Only 10% of Americans consume the recommended quantity of veggies daily, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Adults should consume 2 to 3 cups of vegetables each day, according to My Plate. There are numerous health benefits to eating more veggies, one of which is that they are high in fiber, a nutrient that only 7% of individuals receive enough of, according to the American Society for Nutrition. You'll learn what fiber is, why you should eat more of it, and the 9 best high-fiber veggies to add to your meals right now. What is fiber and why is it beneficial? Fiber is a carbohydrate that is not digested or absorbed. Fiber can be found in plant-based foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Fibers are classified into 2 types, soluble and insoluble. When soluble fiber interacts with water, it creates a gel and binds to cholesterol and fat in your food. Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, avocados, apples, pears, carrots, oats, barley, beans, flaxseed, and almonds are high in soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, does not dissolve in water but adds bulk to stools. Insoluble fiber can be found in fruits with edible peel, vegetable stems, bran, grits, and nuts. Fiber has health benefits such as reducing constipation, stabilizing blood sugar levels, enhancing gut health, promoting satiety, maintaining a healthy weight, and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, colorectal and breast cancer. The top 9 high-fiber vegetables. The 9 vegetables listed below give at least 5 grams of fiber per cup/piece, which is about 1/5 of your daily required fiber intake of at least 28 grams, according to the 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for Americans. Who knows, you might discover your new favorite vegetable. It's finally time to eat. 1. Artichokes. 1 medium artichoke contains 7 grams of fiber. USDA nutritional information. The artichoke bulb is edible in 3 parts: the heart, the flesh at the base of the petals, and the meat near the stem. Artichokes have numerous health benefits, including being a good source of magnesium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure and bone health. Artichokes are simple to prepare and cook. You can steam or grill them, or use them as an ingredient in cream soups, dips, and other delectable dishes. 2. Brussels sprouts. 1 cup cooked Brussels sprouts equals 6 grams fiber. USDA nutrition data. In addition to being strong in fiber, Brussels sprouts are high in vitamin C, which helps promote immune system function and reduce inflammation. They serve as a healthful side dish to a variety of dishes. This step-by-step instruction describes how to prepare and cook steamed, roasted, and grilled Brussels sprouts. 3. Kale. 1 cup cooked kale equals 5.7 grams fiber. USDA nutritional information. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can help you stay healthy. Because cooked kale has more volume than raw kale, eating it cooked adds additional fiber to your day. Add it to soups like this chicken and kale soup or smoothies like this really green smoothie. 4. Sweet potato. 6.2 grams of fiber per cup of cooked mashed sweet potato. USDA nutritional information. These sweet potatoes are not only high in fiber, but also high in vitamin A, which helps the immune system and eye health. You may also want to consider leaving on the skin. When you eat sweet potatoes with the skin, you get more than just fiber, you also get potassium, which is necessary for blood pressure regulation, muscular contractions, and other bodily functions. Serve them in casseroles, with sweet potato fries, or as a dessert, such as sweet potato pie with cream cheese swirl. 5. Collard greens. 1 cup cooked collard greens equals 5.6 grams fiber. USDA nutrition data. Consider adding collard greens to your weekly vegetable rotation to mix up your leafy greens. Collard greens have a similar nutritional profile as kale, providing calcium, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K. Blanch the leaves to serve as a covering for spicy chicken and mango collard green wraps or to keep the chicken moist in spicy meatloaf with collards. 6. Beets. 1 cup cooked beets contains 5 grams of fiber. USDA nutritional information. Beets are high in antioxidants, which may help combat inflammation and prevent cancer. The ruby red bulbs are high in antioxidants known as beta-cyanins, while the yellow variety are high in antioxidants known as betaxanthins, which give the root vegetable its vibrant colors. Beets can be steamed, boiled, roasted, grilled, or air-fried. Purchase them vacuum-packed, pre-cooked and peeled, in the produce area of your grocery store. Canned beets can add to the convenience element. At your next dinner, try our honey-roasted beets. 7. Green beets. 1 cup cooked beet greens contains 5.9 grams of fiber. USDA nutritional information. When preparing your beet dish, don't forget to include the delicious beet greens. The flavor and nutrients of these leafy greens at the top of the bulbs are similar to kale and collard greens. Beet greens are tenderized by sautéing and braising. 8. Turnip greens. 1 cup cooked turnip greens equals 5 grams fiber. USDA nutrition facts. Turnips, like beets, have nutritious leaves and stems that can be eaten. Turnip greens have a comparable nutritional profile to other dark leafy greens, so eat them sautéed or roasted, or make a delicious turnip green pesto. 9. Mustard greens. 1 cup cooked mustard greens equals 4.8 grams fiber. USDA nutrition information. Mustard greens are part of the mustard plant. They're a common vegetable in Chinese, Indian, and Japanese cuisines. They're high in vitamin K, a substance that promotes blood clotting, and a superb source of vitamin C, which promotes collagen synthesis. Try peppery mustard greens in a stir-fry. Other ways to increase fiber consumption. Eating vegetables is unquestionably a wonderful method to increase your fiber intake. You can also increase your fiber intake by eating more of the following foods. Fruits include both soluble and insoluble fiber, as well as a variety of nutrients. According to my plate, aim for at least 112 to 212 cups each day as part of your meals and snacks. Legumes, these filling beans and peas provide more than just fiber, they also provide plant-based protein. Use these healthy bean recipes to create your next vegetarian dinner. Whole grains have more fiber, vitamins, and minerals than refined grains since they contain the full kernel of the grain. Whole grains should account for at least half of your grain intake, according to my plate. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in nutrients. They provide fiber as well as heart-healthy fats, anti-inflammatory qualities, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They can be eaten as a standalone snack, such as in trail mix, or as an ingredient in salads, meals, and desserts. In conclusion, fiber promotes digestive and cardiovascular health, but you may not be getting enough of it in your diet. Including high-fiber veggies in your meals, such as artichokes, beets, and robust greens, will help you achieve your fiber requirements. In conclusion,